What up, traders? How has your trading been like over the past week? Mine has been fair because I've really improved in my trading, and also with the help of our trading system, which we use in our group, our channel, which also help us to get perfect entries and exits no matter the condition of the market. Most of our trades has been blue, so I believe yours are not full of red. If yours are full of red, then I believe you can still work on that. Where I used to be like that, I used to be in that condition as well. For the past few years, I've been on and off the forex markets. I've not really been consistent because I've been more of a crypto focus, but sometimes I also dabble into forex. So that being said, because I know that the financial market industry is where one can really get much if one can really be focused and treat it as business. So you really start to get reward from the market when you treat the market as serious business. Before, why I used to have so much blown account is because I was not really disciplined in trading, especially in the forex markets. I was not using good lot sizing. I was not taking risk management into consideration properly. Why? Because most times those days when I place a trade, I don't put stop loss. I'll just say in my head I have meta SL, but that does not really work. Then I started studying most people I see that are profitable in the industry. Most of them, once they set a trade, they set stop loss along. So since the beginning of this year, my trading has really improved. Then with the help of the trading system we're also using, it has been more of blues. So like for the past close to 1 month, BTC has been bullish, right from $60 something thousand. BTC has been bullish, and in my previous video, if you go through this channel, you see that I posted a video where I also shown the signal that was received where we entered by around this area, $60 something thousand. So from there till now, BTC has really held the buy positions, and I have been riding it. One thing I believe that has really also upped my game is because I switched to using 1 hour time frame. Initially, I was using 15 minutes time frame. 15-minute time frame was always giving me wrong entrance. 15 minutes time frame does not really give me the good entrance and the holding position I want in my trading, because I'm a day trader. On few occasions, I hold my trades for more than a day. Like this current trade I am on right now. See the screenshot is I entered this trade since on the 8th of May. So today is 10. As at the time of recording this video is 10th of May. So I've been able to hold this trade for since going to 3 days now. 3 days. So I hardly hold trade, especially on MT4, MT5. But on crypto, most of the times I can just buy coin and hold for a longer time. But even futures trading, I hardly trade futures before. But now of recent, since I started using this trading system, which is the signals, since I started using it, I've really started to up my trading game. So the team is currently working on the auto trading. Currently, you can get free signals once you download the app from Play Store. You can send a DM or join our Telegram channel or WhatsApp channel to get more details on how you can benefit from using the Signals app. It's a wonderful app. Most of the signals that we've received from the signals have always been top notch, more than 80% accuracy in the industry. So that is a very good position in trading. So this is where the trade I'm currently holding, which is this one. The other ones, the other pairs in the forex markets have already been closed. I closed most. Okay, I closed some, then I entered some again because another signal came in at this position. I just entered, but those ones are not yet in profit yet. But the ones I entered from this position to this point, I've already closed those positions. So this GBP USD, I took some profit from it. Then Euro USD, I took some profits. Then I entered from this position again, which has not really entered profits since over the week. I just decided to say, okay, let me hold some of the position. But from this point, I entered to this point, I closed the trade, then I entered here again when another signal came into another position. So that's how I've been riding concept. Your trading life will really improve. So make sure you download the signals from the Play Store, hit the like and the follow button, then share this video so that others will see this video, then send a message either through the channels, through the Telegram channel or YouTube, Instagram, or on TikTok. Wherever you are seeing this video, you can send a DM or follow the channels and you get more details on how to benefit from this trading system, which is the Signals app. Okay, till next video, catch you.